Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the vacuum bag on the Roborock Qrevo Curv 2 Flow. If you're interested in this product, the link to it will be in the video description. So, first things first, on the station itself, we got to find where the vacuum bag even is. So, open up the top cover. That's going to reveal this compartment in the back that says designed by Roborock. This cover removes, and ta-da, right in there, you'll notice we have our vacuum bag. Yours should look pretty puffy, should be nice and full. So you're gonna go ahead and grab it from this side and pull that straight up. And this little guy here is gonna seal that vacuum bag, so make sure it's up so it's not spreading all the dirt and dust in your house as you're moving this bag. That's the last thing you wanna do. Dispose of your old vacuum bag. You can clean down in here if you want, grab some compressed air, wipe it down, you get the idea. But then take your new vacuum bag and you're gonna line it up. It's only going to fit one way, and just gently press it in down here on both sides till it snaps in and those gray pieces are flush with the white. Then take the remaining piece and just gently press it on down. Take your cover, put it back like so, shut the lid, and you're all set and ready to go.